Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil Guru 04, and today we are learning about how to create alignment using the alignment creation tools in AutoCAD Civil 3D. As you know that we are developing a real-time project in AutoCAD Civil 3D with step by step, and we are learning many things. Now we are in chapter number 5. Today we have exercise number 2. Before, in exercise number 1, we have create alignment from object. So before starting tutorial, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Civil Guru 04, and you can also access me through land developer and architect designer, my Facebook page, where you can share anything about AutoCAD Civil 3D or land surveying related questions or issues. So let's start our exercise. How to create alignment using the alignment creation tools in AutoCAD Civil 3D. Many times we want have geometry in the drawing that we can simply convert to an alignment. In these cases, we can use the Civil 3D alignment creation tools to create alignment from scratch. The alignment creation tools are housed in Civil 3D version of a toolbar and consist of a comprehensive set of commands to create and edit the lines, curves and spirals that make up an alignment. In this exercise, we will create alignment using the alignment creation tools. We will draw the alignments according to reference geometry, dimensions and other information that has been provided. As usually in the first step, kindly open the drawing name alignment creation tool, which I will provide you in the description link. If you did not get that, kindly write me in the video comment. I will give you personally. Alignment creation tools, it will open with a single view frame. Step number 2, examine the blue geometry and accompanying dimensions and notes. This geometry is describe the details in the sidebar using temporary geometry. You can see here tie into existing road, here perpendicular to the existing road. So in step number 3, on the home tab, click alignment, then alignment creation tool. Step number 4, in the create alignment creation tools layout dialog box, enter the name of alignment, which will be Jordan Court. I am using just temporary name for them. We can use any other name, and then click OK. Step number 5, select tangent with curves from the first option, which you can see here. When it will expand, you will select tangent with curve. Then click step number 6, snap to the center of circle, mark A. Here you can see the center. Here we have circle, mark A, and it's the center. Click here. Then step number 7, snap to the center of circle B through E. Here we have B. Now we can see where we have E. Yes, we have E here, so it will go through. Skip over circle F. Yes, we are not clicking on F. We will direct click on C, then D, and finish this alignment on the E. Now the Jordan code alignment is created. Its label not showing because we have setting off for them. Step number 8, to create the medicine lane alignment, repeat step 3 through 7, which we have done already. Now we will do them for medicine lane alignment creation tool. Put the name here, medicine lane, click OK, select tangent with curves, and now using circle F, G, and then H. So it's the medicine lane alignment has been created. In the previous exercise, create alignment from object, we have already done these alignment but with another tools from object. Create alignment from object. Now we are going to create them manually actually. So step number 9, to create the Logan code alignment, repeat step number 3 and 3 to 7. Yes, it will be same like before, creation tools, then put the name for alignment here, Logan code, click OK, select tangent with curves, and then it will start from circle of I, then it will perpendicular, or you can click anywhere here, just as for your knowledge that we can create alignments like that. So step number 10, save and close your drawing. So you now that how can we create alignment using alignment creation tool, we will explore these all functions later, but for this exercise you see how can we create alignments using art creation tool in AutoCAD Civil 3D. Hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get latest notification about AutoCAD Civil 3D courses videos. Thank you. Goodbye.